Hey everybody, I am Laura Miele and I am the founder of the Cat Times, and we are here today at Meow MeetUp 2019 and we are having an amazing time. We're here in the exhibit hall at Meow MeetUp. We've got a lot of awesome vendors with really cool and unique stuff, so come check it out. Danger. I'm a cat photographer and a designer. This is my first time in Chicago at Meow MeetUp and I'm having a blast. I love this.
So we're Whiskers and Tails Rescue Foundation. Everything we brought here today is handmade and all the money goes back to the cats on the streets. We are having a cat-tabulous time. It is meow-tastic. I mean, I can't tell you. There's nowhere I would rather be on a Catter Day than at Meow MeetUp with all these cat lovers.